This one I grab you.
Okay, so I just got a nightstand that I'm gonna put right there. So let's set it up.
Cover my face, calling me big man with no what's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depend on the girl them ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depend on the girl them.
Yeah. They say, hey. They say 500 million on the face, feel like KK. And I know the city that we from, not a safe place. But I know you riding with your twin till we fade away. We used to have nothing to our names, still had great days. Always kept me umbrellaed up when the rain came. You tell me you want something, I'll tell you same thing. Now when we come through inside this bitch, they gotta make way. Twisting up my fingers for my twin. You was always on go for the drama, dog. I would toe take somebody for your mama, dog. And they block disappeared, that's some karma, dog. You say you a dog, they roof, nigga, I'm a dog. When I need a friend, you my best friend. When I need a friend, you my only friend. Yeah, you my twin. You my twin, you my treasure, the twin. You my twin. You my treasure, the twin. You my twin, brother. When I need a friend, only friend.
Who can I depend on? What? In the bed, she get wicked with her parents, she be hustling. Whoa, I don't show ID at clubs cause they know that I'm 21. Whoa, 21. Who would do the things we do for each other, nigga? No, whoa. Would you die for me? Would you go at niggas' necks like a tie for me? Do the time for a crime you didn't do for me? Or do a crime at a time when it was loose for me?
I wanna tell you how I feel when I'm loaded. I would lay something down for you. I'll play a whole time for you. Spray the whole 100 round for you. Twisting up my fingers for my dog.
So far I did the drawers. Now I just got to screw 2 more screws in. That's all the screws I got left, and then I did all of this. Hopefully I put these in the correct way. I'm not sure because I was supposed to leave it flat on its front, but I hammered the back end, so hopefully that's in correctly. If not, I'm gonna have to take it out, but we'll see. Say what, say what, say what. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling, scheming on you and your homie. Every first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay, hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride, play all day, walk in the line. Say what, say what, say what. You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh,
testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all that I'm around, you're scared to do. I'm not, long as you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it, my bitch.
Finally got it together. I literally had to switch the whole bottom part. I don't know if you previously showed you, but it was wood at the bottom, so now it's right. Everything's correct. I had to flip it over, I had it upside down, everything. It was messed up. And don't mind if you see the black in the back. I'm not taking it. I had to nail that part in. I'm not taking it back, like, off together. And so yeah, I'm gonna get 2 lamps, and I'm also gonna get another one of these. But baby, I'm tired. This is the final product. So I just got my TV stand, so I'm gonna put that together so y'all can just watch me put that together. It's so cute, it's black, and it's gonna help me see if what other color accents I wanna add, because that's black, and then everything else is kind of, well, it's gonna come together, so let's just see.
I wanna get with you, yeah, I wanna get them out of the picture, yeah. I'm in my vision, yeah. You can spot the difference, yeah. Me, I'm never acting shady. You will always be my baby. You be my baby, yeah.
Whip, body, grip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses, and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I ain't never wanted you to stay, just wanted you to show me. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. Your action, I need more than satisfaction. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Way that you're doing the most, but please take a picture, get posted. How that works? But you talking, back that shit up. Won't you say mine, say mine? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. Calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, just playing games.
I blow your mind, honey. Say it one time, honey. Sick of them lies, say goodbye. Get in my ride, I wanna come back. I wanna just listen, get in your vibe, get in your feelings, get in your feelings, get in your business. I wanna get kissed, I wanna get with you, yeah. I wanna get them out of the picture, yeah. In my vision, yeah. You can spot the difference, yeah. Me, I'm never acting shady. You will always be my baby. You be my baby, yeah.
don't speak it all. Now I'll be ready. Oh, still it was worth it. I would do it again. I know you hurt me. I kinda love everybody, but you isn't anybody. You look at me different, so I let you see my body. Running, and now we don't speak it all. Now I'll be ready. Oh, still it was worth it. I would do it again.
Y'all, I'm at the car wash to drive through one. I've been in this line for an hour. Nah, like 40 minutes. So I just paid. And now I'm going to pull in after this car is done. But yeah, I ain't had nothing else to do, so. And this is the first time washing my car since it snowed. So it was much needed. And I tried to eat my food while I was here, but I just ate a couple bites and I just eat the rest when I get there. But yeah. When I get home, I meant. But yeah, I'm just waiting for this car to finish. Yeah, I went to Hobby Lobby today. I got 2 frames. If you not Hobby Lobby's closed on Sundays. I went to Michael's. So if you ever like want to do pictures on your wall, but you don't want to be upcharged for the canvas, or basically they be charging you for the poster on the canvas or the poster in the frame already. That's what's so expensive. And you can literally go to CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, and you can buy the digital prints off like Etsy or Shein, and then once you buy it, you upload it on one of those 3 stores and you go get them printed in the size that you want. I preferably like 24 by 36, and I'm going to do 3 pictures. But I ordered mine on Shein and I just bought the frames. So when I get home, I'm going to put them in the frame and then hang them up. But that's the cheaper way to do it. Walmart has cheaper frames than Michael's, but right now Michael's has sales, buy one get one half off. These frames was $20 each. And then of course, the smaller the size, the bigger the size, it differences in price. So that's what the one I went through. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I also got a Shein package that I'm gonna open when I get home. Show y'all some like home decor stuff I bought. But yeah, I'm waiting to get the car washed right now to get this yucky, icky, dirty snow off. And it's crazy because it's supposed to rain tomorrow for like a little bit, but hopefully it doesn't rain long. So yeah. Car wash I'm at, it's so cute. It's actually a Sheetz car wash, but it's like operated by nobody. And whoever owns this, I'm pretty sure Sheetz, but whoever owns this Sheetz, why they making bank today? Because this line was wrapped around. That's why I waited so long to get here. But look. And it is touch, so it's gonna touch your car, so just be aware, there's no non-touch, so we don't want the little scratches. Opt out. Yeah. back home. This is everything I got. Well, from Shein. I'm not showing y'all what I got from Dollar Tree because it's just normal stuff. So I got Pompous. I got 2 black and 2 cream. And I got some jewelry. I don't know what this is. It's probably a vase. Oh, I got another Pompous. I got a vase for the Pompous. I got some bras. I think this is a 10 pack. 1, 2, 3. It might have been 10 pack. I'm not sure. This is like a little thing. It's like a ribbon thing that goes. This is like I call it decor. So that's what that is. And then I got some more jewelry. And that's it. This is a little thing. It's like I call it a knot, but you can put it like, it's like decor, so you can put it like anywhere. There you go. Now I want to open this because I don't know what this is. Oh. So the other ones coming in a separate. These are my pictures that I was just talking about. And then I have the frames. Let me show you all the frames. It's funny because these are, it was measured in centimeters, so it's 60 by 30. But it says it's equivalent to 23 by 33. No, 23 by 31. And my frames are 24 by 36. So they might be too big, but we're about to see. These are the frames. This is 2 of them. I got 2 of these. I kind of want to open it to see if it's gonna fit. And I ordered 6 pictures. And when I open these, y'all gonna be like, I see these same things on Amazon. See? This is where oh, these are these. Okay. So this is 1. I know it's probably not. It's probably too small. This is 1. That's it. This is the other. And this is the last one. I'll insert a picture on the screen so that you can see the one on Amazon. So yeah. I'm gonna put the little Pompous in the base. So let's do that. To be honest, I did not know these were like these. These are very like. Anyway. Okay, this is curved. I think this is gonna go. Why did I think it was different? Okay, that might be cute. So this is this. I thought I was gonna be able to fit this in there or this in there, but I guess if I cut it maybe. But I'll just get a different vase for that. Okay, perfect. I just have to buy a different type of vase for these. I'm getting the extra vase.